Alright friends, now finally from this video we have to focus over the development part of this interesting course, interesting project, and that is how to create a headless store using React and WooCommerce APIs. So far inside this course we had done lots of discussion about basics concept, basic idea that how to use React to create a normal application. Additionally, also we had done discussion about WooCommerce. Now in this video I'll create a new project of React, and additionally I'll install some required packages what basically we need inside to create our headless store. So first thing first, I'll go back to folder structure, then I'll open project terminal, and here I'll create a new React application. So simply npm create space latest, hit enter. Now it will ask about project name, so I will call it as React-Store, hit enter. Which framework? So I will use React. So here we have the third option. So React, hit enter. Which variant? So JavaScript. Again, we have the third option. Hit enter. Now successfully the scaffolding of that project now created. So simply we have to go into this setup called React Store. So cd React Store, and now into this folder structure, the first command we have to execute called npm install. So simply let's type npm install, hit enter, and successfully it has added 258 packages into our React setup. So what next? Let's first open its landing page. So npm run dev to verify our installation, hit enter. Development server started. So I am pressing Ctrl, click on this localhost link. And now we can see that successfully we have one more setup into our local system that is called React Store. So what next? I'll then go back to project terminal. Let's stop this development server. Press Y. Now I will open first this project setup into my VS Code editor. So code dot, and successfully I have opened that setup into my VS Code editor. So if I go into this package.json, so we can see that inside this dependencies object, we have only two properties like two packages called React and React-DOM. So we want like some more packages as discussed earlier. So first thing first, I want to install Axios package. Now this Axios package will help us to complete our HTTP request with WooCommerce APIs. So this package will basically complete HTTP request. Then after, I'll use the concept of bootstrap. So as we had seen inside demonstration of this project that is Headless Store, we have multiple layouts like a landing page, products page, cart page, checkout page. So much more layouts we have inside this Headless Store. So to create these interactive layouts, I'll use the concept of bootstrap. Then after, to display some notifications, for example, whenever if I try to add any products to my cart, so it will display after adding a message called product has been added successfully. So these notifications I will display into this store by using a package called React Toastify. So the third package will be called React-Toastify. Then after, to control over the navigation over the menu items like for the redirection, I'll use the concept of a basic package of React, and it will be React Router DOM. For example, I'm on the landing page. If I want to go into products page, checkout page, cart page, so by using the concept of React Router DOM, simply we can go and control all over the navigations of this entire application. Then after, so as we know that inside this application, we have to use lots of APIs concept of WooCommerce. So before using the WooCommerce APIs inside third party, also we have to verify ourselves by digital signature. So to generate a digital signature and the verification, I'll use a node package, and that will be called crypto -js. So these are the packages right now what we need to install with this React application. So how to install? Simply, I'll go into my project terminal. So let's say npm install or I, then after the package name called Axios. So as we know that we have to install 5 packages. So Axios, now space bootstrap, Then after, again we need React Toastify. So React hyphen Toastify. Then after, React Router DOM. And finally, we need called crypto.js for digital signature. So here it will be crypto-js. So once we type all these packages simply, let's press enter. And now we can see our installation started, and successfully it has added 20 packages into a React application. Let's go back to VS Code again, go inside this package.json, and now we can see that inside this dependencies object, now here we have Axios, Bootstrap, Crypto-js, React Router DOM, and React-Toastify. So successfully now in this video, we have a second setup which will be our core setup to create this headless store. And then after, also additionally, we had installed some required packages, what basically we need to complete this entire project. Now in the next video, I'll discuss all about the concept of React component. It simply means that what the sections we need to create this headless store. So this interesting concept we'll discuss inside next video. So for this interesting video, interesting course, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.